Want more people to discover your website without paying for every click? These 17 SEO tips can help you rank higher on Google and attract the right audience. Tip number 1. Write for people, not search engines. Helpful content keeps readers engaged, and that's exactly what search engines want to reward.
Instead of trying to rank for everything, focus on one keyword at a time. One clear target makes your content stronger and easier for Google to understand.
Your title is one of the most important SEO signals. Place your main keyword naturally in the title and keep it short enough to display fully in search results.
Break your article into clear sections using headings. Good headings improve readability and give search engines more context about your content.
Use your keyword naturally throughout your content and include related variations. Avoid repeating the exact same phrase over and over because natural writing.
Your meta description may not directly improve rankings, but it can increase clicks. Write a clear, compelling description that naturally includes your target keyword. Don't guess what people are searching for. Use a keyword research tool to discover real search terms with traffic and choose topics your audience actually wants. Images help readers enjoy your content, but don't forget SEO. Give your image file, alt text, and title meaningful names that describe the image naturally. When adding links, use meaningful anchor text instead of generic words like "click here." This helps both readers and search engines understand the destination. If your website uses tags, organize related content with meaningful keyword tags. This helps visitors discover similar articles more easily. Repeating the same keyword again and again won't help. Write naturally, focus on helping the reader, and let your keyword fit into the content where it makes sense. Never force keywords into your content. If a keyword doesn't fit naturally, create a separate article instead of making your readers confused. Link your related blog posts together. Internal links help visitors discover more useful content while helping search engines understand your website. After publishing a new article, revisit older content and add links to it. These new connections make your website stronger over time. Linking to trustworthy external resources adds value for your readers. It also shows that your content is supported by helpful references.
Finally, build a strong social media strategy. Great content gets shared, attracts more visitors, earns more links, and gives your SEO the boost it deserves.